Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the Calculus 1 Limited Tutorial Part 5. Part 5 and Part 6, we both going to talk about how to compute a limited. Okay, there are several ways or several tricks to just compute a limited. Okay, in Part 5, we're going to talk about the simplify, expanding, and the direct substitute. So this is easy 3 method. Okay, in part 6, we're going to talk about the other method. Okay, let's see this question here. Okay, looking for limit. All right, limit x goes to 2. 8 minus 3x plus 12x squared is how much? Okay, thinking about this. So limit x goes to 2. That means when x approaching to 2, what happened? When x is very, very, very close to 2. So it's okay, right? So we don't care, like this is a little bit different here because we don't have any problem here. We just directly substitute the 2 into x and then we're done. Okay, so 8 minus 3 bracket 2 plus 12 times 2 square. All right, just equal to 8 minus 6 plus that's 48. So which is equal to 50. So that will be the easiest limit question ever because we don't have any problems. Okay, what do I mean problems? Let's see next questions. Then we got a problem. Okay, so this question here. As usual, we can do these things. We can apply -5 into here and into here. We got -5 squared, which is equal to 25. And then plus -5 times 2, which is equal to minus 10, and then minus 15. Now we got a problem here. 25 minus 10 minus 15, we got 0. So we got 0 in the bottoms. That means it's not good. So this is wrong, right? It's something wrong with our limit. So these questions will give me denominator equal to 0. Remember this, in mathematical world, denominator can never equal to 0. That means we got to be some way to do these questions here. So we cannot just simplify. Simplify just or doing it, right? We need to just try to factor something out. So why? Because the -5 is bad point. Okay, this point is not good. So we need to take this point out. We got a troublemaker here. How do we take this out? Let's try to factor in these things. Okay, if you don't know how to factor it, just go back to check my polynomial factoring tutorials. I got a very detailed explanation about how to factor in this guy, so I'm not going to repeat. So just a 1, 5, -3, so which is positive 2. So be x plus 5 and then x minus 3. On the top part is also in my tutorial of polynomial factoring. So this is become x plus 5 and then x minus 5. Okay, now these things and these things, we can cancel each other's. Once we cancel these terms, let's try to substitute the -5 again. See, we don't have this problem anymore, right? That means x plus 5, this guy is the troublemaker. Okay, we kill the troublemaker here, so then we fine. We just simplify and that's it. So we substitute -5 into here, we got -10, and then -5 minus 3 equal to -8. So which is equal to 5/4, and we done. Make sense? Okay, so this is by solving the limited by using simplify. Okay, there are also another way to doing these things by expanding it. Okay, so this one isn't really, we cannot factor anymore. We only have h here. So h is going to be equal to 0. So we got a problem again with the denominator equal to 0. Then what do? We're expanding this. Okay, 6 plus h squared, which is equal to 36, plus 12h plus h squared minus 36/h here. Okay, so if you don't know how these things to become these 3 terms, again check my polynomial expanding tutorials. I got a explain how these things working there. Okay, so as a university student or college student, you should be able to do these things right away. So I expect you to do this one correctly. So if you don't know how to do these ones, it is your problem. Okay, make sure you watch my other videos to make sure you can do these things. Otherwise, I can guarantee you're gonna fail. All right, so let's see. 30, 36, 36 cancel each other's. Now we got a 12h plus h squared, so we can factor h out. Will be equal to 12 plus h over h. Now we can cancel these things. Okay, once we canceled, and then we got a 12 plus h. Now we can substitute the h equal to 0 in here. We got 12 as final answer, and done. Okay. Okay, so this is a very simple part. Sometimes if you have problems because you have like a very weak background about grade 10 and grade 11s, please make sure you know how to do these ones, and then watch the videos of my previous part. So it is going to be help a lot. All right, so I hope you understand this. So if you like, please subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below. I try to answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.